I'm Jimmy, and this is Timeless Steel Garage. It's a little smoky in here. We made it to Ford Fest. There's all kinds of awesome cars rolling in currently. Got the Ecoboost DeLorean here. I mean, they already got drag racing qualifying going. I heard the autocross guys talking. This is gonna be super cool. Ford Fest Day 2. Car's still here, so that's a win. Good morning, Vietnam. Well, I got my parking spot back early in the morning here. People are starting to show up. I'm gonna walk down to the Holley booth because apparently I need to go over there for a photo this morning. It's probably as quiet as this place is gonna be all day. I can already tell there's gonna be a lot more people and cars here. There's a big line at the main gate. Cars I didn't see yesterday. It's gonna be a good time. Dude, Holley asked me to come park in front of their booth. I feel like I made it to the big leagues. It's pretty cool. This right here. That guy's setup's pretty sweet. He's got the twin cans and he's off. Yeah, 100%. Send it. Send it.
Yeah, I got the front end and they're gonna do another hot lap, and then Vaughn's gonna come at the end of the day and see if they can beat everyone's time. So that's kind of what's going on right now, and just one at a time and get the fastest lap, and then after this we'll do like an open driving session. They want to go out there and cruise around and do cool stuff. So.
sick. I won a fabulous Ford top 20 award, or top 20 fabulous Ford, and they're bringing us out on the circle track where all the drifting and autocross was, all the winners, to do a little parade thing, I guess, to present us the trophy. Pretty stoked. I don't think I've ever actually won a trophy that wasn't like a participation award at a car show, and that was with Cat, my 70C10, in like, I don't know, 2009-ish time frame. So this is pretty exciting, and more importantly, it's just been cool to see people appreciate the car. And we're gonna go collect our Fragile special award here.
You know how to make a DeLorean really good?
Top 20 Alex Castillo.
Comes with it with literally anything.
Your car's cool as shit.
Thanks,
I'm
I
sure you
appreciate
already
it.
know that.
This one's
Can you lean into the
Ecoboost.
light just a little
No.
bit? There you go. Perfect.
I've been built for like 3 years.
Are you
It's been-
serious?
yeah, it's been a huge.
The license plate is my favorite.
Thanks, I appreciate it. This is really awesome. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
And unlike a Cybertruck, they're actually stainless steel, not fake iRust stainless steel. Very cool car, dude.
Thank you.